Hey everyone, in today's video I'm going to be making this cool aluminum sculpture by pouring molten aluminum in a bucket full of Orbeez. This is actually going to be a second metal cast that I've done today. The furnace is hot, the crucible still has some molten aluminum in the bottom, so I'm just going to add some more aluminum so I have enough metal to pour into the Orbeez. With the aluminum melted, I'm now going to pour that molten aluminum into this bucket full of Orbeez. After letting the aluminum solidify, I'm going to scrape away some of the Orbeez to expose the aluminum and start pulling that aluminum out from the Orbeez to reveal this beautiful aluminum sculpture made by just pouring some molten aluminum into the Orbeez. I really enjoy making this type of sculpture because when you pour the molten aluminum into the Orbeez, you just never know which direction that molten aluminum is going to flow into the Orbeez, creating many types of different sculptures.